Come on.
Come on, you can make it. You can make it.
Jeez. Come on.
You can make it. Come on. I know you can. You're being a showboat now. That's what you're being, a showboat. Don't move your hand. There we go. I thought when you said she made it up the stairs last night, I thought she crawled up.
Okay, come on.
You are a funny girl. Yes, you are. That's a big one now. Hang on tight. Very good. Oh, time for a french fry. That scares the hell out of me. But kids do need to do things on their own. That's how they become self-sufficient. You know, you just have to be patient. Like you were earlier today at the store. You were so patient with us. You were so patient with us. Yeah. Two more stairs. Two more. It's about a french fry break though, I would think. Oh, move your hand. Move your hand. Move your hand. Next one. Yeah. Almost. Very good. Oh, she sees the light at the end of the tunnel now. She doesn't have anything else. Here. Eat your french fries. What a character.
Okay, let's go in.
Come on in. It's almost time to go to the pool.